How you doing? What's your name?
So again, go ahead.
Raymond.
Yeah,
and I'm one of the owners of Front
Well, we're gonna bring
Row
Mustang.
Okay.
Racine, 2525 Douglas Avenue.
Okay.
Okay. And we're a new car shop, small car shop, but big on community. Okay, so we're gonna be doing some things and partnering up with people.
Okay.
To do some stuff in the community.
Right.
Besides, we're a full service shop.
Okay. Okay.
So we got mechanics that'll do whatever you need to have done, from classics to imports to whatever you need.
Just whatever you're doing. But y'all good have a car show or something pretty soon now. Now when is that coming up?
It's actually a grand opening, and it's going to be June 7th.
June 7th?
June 7th.
And that's a Saturday?
That's a Saturday.
All right.
And it's going to be at 2525 Douglas Avenue.
2525 Douglas.
Just come hang out with us for a few minutes.
All right.
Game changers are going to be there.
All right.
Rob, I'm hoping you're going to be there.
I'm gonna come. I'm gonna come. I'm gonna come. And then I'm gonna put it on the channel so I can kind of spread it out. Nobody don't look at my channel though, so you know you might get one person show up.
No, that's not true.
I'm talking about from my end though,
okay,
and that might just be that might just be me though. No, but I'm gonna put it on the channel and you know, just announce what's going on. So that sounds good.
That'll be great.
We're gonna get you.
Looking forward to seeing you.
All
So
right.
y'all come on down, have a little something to eat. Just hang out with us for a few minutes.
All right.
12 to 5.
12 to 5.
Okay.
You gonna be there?
I'm gonna be there.
I'm gonna bring my wife. I'm gonna bring my wife so
ladies,
she can hang out with you.
That's right.
She can hang out with you.
Yes,
All right. All right.
you up too.
All right. Thank you. All right. All right.
Thank you, babe.